Welcome everyone to another video about the Orama network. In this video we're going to take a look how to start the Orama network. And the process is pretty simple. The first thing that you need to do is to actually go on our website, orama.network. And if you go here, if you click on the developers button, then it is going to take you on our official GitHub account. In here you can find the open source code of Orama network, and you can of course clone it on your local terminal. And when you clone it, then you are going to have the repository locally, and the actual process of starting it is pretty simple. But before we do that, we're going to take a look at the Orama network playground, which is actually a video as well on our video tutorials on our website section. And if you click start exploring on the playground and you go to the second section, then you're going to see a lot of prerequisites that you need in actually to run the Orama network. And you need things like the Go programming language, Make, and a bunch of other tools. Let's go back to our terminal. Now that you have cloned the Orama network and you have it locally on your computer, the process is pretty simple. And what you need to do is to run the make dev command. When you run this command, as you can see here, we'll start to build the executables. Let's give it some time. After we build the executables, you are going to see that we start to generate a bunch of different configuration files. One for each of our nodes. And locally right now, we're running 5 different nodes. And we're starting a lot of different services, as you can see here, like our IPFS cluster. And for each node, we're generating a unique peer ID. This is a simulation to a live environment on a production. For example, we're going to create on production a cluster with 10 different nodes, but locally we simulate it with 5 different nodes so we can test things like the replication, etc. And as you can see here, the development environment is ready after some cluster health validations. And you can access all of your different nodes on these URLs. What I want to show you right now is the .orama folder. And if you go to your users directory .orama, then in here you will find the .orama folder. And we save all of the different configuration files, credentials, cluster secrets, etc. in here. Let's take a look, for example, the node1.yaml file. This is one of our nodes, which is completely auto-generated configuration file. And as you can see right here, we have different things like node information, which ports it listens to, the data directory, the database configuration, the discovery configuration for lib peer-to-peer, and then we have a bunch of different security settings. All of these are generated automatically when you run the make dev command. Let's take a look at another folder in here. Let's go inside node 1. And if we go inside node 1, what you see here is that we have Arculite and IPFS. Everything about our nodes is in here. We also have the logs, and inside the logs we have all of the different logs for all of the different services that a node is running. Each node runs an IPFS cluster, and each node runs IPFS. Then we have the default node logs, and we have Odric, and then we have the Arculite logs. We also have logs about the Anywhere protocol, which is embedded inside the Orama network. The process of starting Orama network is very simple. And if you want to stop it, then the only thing that you need to run is the make stop command. And then it's going to kill all of the different services and all of the different nodes. Thanks for watching. Please make sure that you follow us on our official X account and keep up with any updates that the bros might have through our official Telegram channel.